Hello all. In today's video, we are going to take a look at SvanNet station alarms. I'm going to run through quickly how to set up station alarms. There are two ways that you can set up station alarms. One is alarming through SvanNet, and the other one is alarming through event triggers, which is basically alarming directly from the unit itself. And I'm just going to cover both ways. On your project, you go to status and you can see you have station alarms. You're going to add alarm, and there are various conditions that you can trigger from. So for example, station source mains, trigger value off. So when mains is off, you want to receive an alarm. You enter your email or the recipient's email. If they are multiple, you can use a comma to separate them, and you can assign a station that's in this project. Next to alarm, there's a little edit alarm pen. You can rename the alarm. We're going to add another alarm. We go to conditions, source, but this time around we're going to look at the battery charge, and we can set any trigger value that we want. So if the station battery gets to 30%, and then we just add the recipient's name. Assign the station, and next to that alarm too, we can edit that alarm and say battery level 30%. You can use any naming convention as you please. Once that is done, we just select apply, and the alarm has dated. The second way around to do it is you go to configuration, you go to your station, edit station configuration. So this is both for the noise and vibration system. So your SV307, your SV804 or 803. We go to event trigger. As you can see, I already have a LEQ alarm for my noise, and what I'm going to do is add a station alarm. So you go to add event. You can give this a name if you want to. So I'll just say station status. You can set your time condition. Don't need to worry about time limits. And then we go into trigger. We add a system, and we can select any of these. So when station power up, main stop, measurement start, system check, any of these system conditions, you can select multiple or just one. Once that is done, select OK, and we go to add action. You can select email, and you can add your recipients as many as you need. So it could be 5 or 10. And thank you.